Good morning, grade 2. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Okay, students, today we are going to start with a new unit, which is unit 14. In this unit, we are going to study about data handling. And today's topic is about tally charts and frequency tables. The objective for today's lesson is to read and use tally charts and frequency tables. Look at the keywords of today's lesson. The first keyword that we have is data. Now, what do we mean by data? Now, a data is the information that we collect and it is in the form of numbers. Now, if you see the chart below, you can see it says, what sport do we play? Now, we have the different names of sports and the number of people who like to play that particular sport. For example, if you see soccer, how many people like to play soccer? Very good. 106 people like to play soccer. How many people like to play tennis? Yes, 45 people like to play tennis. What about gymnastics? Very good. 54 people like to do gymnastics. And how many people like to swim? 82 people like to swim. So this is the information that we have collected about different people who like to play different types of sports. And this is the data. Next keyword that we have here is tally charts. Now, what do we mean by tally charts? Now, whenever we collect any information, tally charts makes it easier for us to count. Okay, so tally charts are a great way to collect and present information. They also make it simple to find the total. Now, today we are going to learn how to make tally charts. Now, in a tally chart, you just put a line to show 1. If I have number 1, I need to put 1 line. If I have number 2, I will put 2 lines. Okay. Now, if you have already got 4, how many lines are you going to put? Very good. You're going to put 4 straight lines. Now, if I have number 5, I'm not going to put 5 lines. Okay. First, I'm going to draw 4 standing lines. And then the 5th line is going to be across the 4 lines. Now, if you look at this slide, you can see that to draw number 5, you have to draw 4 standing lines and the 5th line will go across the 4 lines. The next keyword that we have is frequency table. Now, what do you mean by frequency table? It is the number of times that an event or value occurs. For example, if you look at this table, you can see there are different names of pets like dog, cat, and goldfish. Now you have the tally marks, okay, and then the frequency. Now, if you see in the frequency column, how many people like to have a dog? You can see number 12. So that tells us the number of times that an event occurs or number of times how many people like a particular thing. Now, if you go to cat, how many people like to have a cat? What is the frequency? Very good, 7. And what about goldfish? What is the frequency? Very good, 6. Now on this slide we have 2 columns, one is for total and one is for tally. Now if you see in the total column we have a few numbers. Now we have to draw tally marks like we said, okay. After every 4th line, the 5th line will come across the 4th line. Now if you see number 7, okay, we are going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th line will be across the 4th line. So it's going to be 5. And then we have number 7. So 5 and then we are going to draw 6 and 7, 2 lines more. Next we have number 16. So again we will start drawing lines 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th line will be across. Okay. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will be across. So we have 5 and 5, 10. Again, we need to draw one more group of 5. So we are going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will be across. Now we are going to count by 5. 5, 10, 15. But we have number 16. So we are going to draw one more line, which is going to make it 16. Let's go to the next number, 12. Again, first we are going to make group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth line will be across. Next, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will be across. So we have 5 and 5, 10. And then 11, 12. The next number is 24. So let's start making groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will be across. So we have group of 5, 10. We again need to make a group of 5. So start 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will be across. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth line will go across. So how many groups of 5s we have here? 5, 10, 15, 20. We have 4 groups of 5. Okay, but we have number 24. So we are going to draw 4 more lines to make it 24. The next number we have is 31. Okay, so let's start drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. So how many groups of 5 we have made? 5, 10, 15. Again we need to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. One more group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. Now how many groups of 5 have we done? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. But we have number 31. So we need one more group of 5. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line will go across. So we have 30 altogether. If we count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And we have number 31. So we have to draw one more line to make it 31. Come on students, let's solve this question together. Now, this question says that Sally recorded the number of carnival tickets sold each day on a tally chart. Okay, now we have days of the week and here we have tally. Now which days are there? We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now how many tickets are sold on Thursday? Can we count the lines, the standing lines? Come on, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tickets are sold on Thursday. Let's go to Friday. How many tickets are sold on Friday? Now if you remember, we said how we have to count. Now let's count the standing lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you see, there is a line that goes across the 4 lines. So we count it as 5. And then we have one more line, which is 6. So 6 tickets are sold on Friday. Let's go to Saturday. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th line goes across the 4 lines. So this is 5. Next group. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th line goes across. Again 5. So 5 and 5, 10. Let's go to the 3rd group. We have again 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th line goes across. So how many groups of 5 we have? Very good. We have 3 groups of 5. So let's count. 5, 10, 15. And we have 2 more standing lines. So after 15, we count 16 and 17. So how many tickets are sold on Saturday? Very good. We have 17 tickets which are sold on Saturday. And let's go to the last day, which is Sunday. Now, let's start counting the first group, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth line goes across. Next group, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth line goes across. So we have two groups of 5. 5, 10. Again, there is one more group if you see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth line goes across. So we have 5, 10, 15. And how many more standing lines can you see? We have 4 standing lines more. So after 15, you're going to count 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many tickets are sold on Sunday? Very good. 19 tickets are sold on Sunday. Now students, let's solve the questions on this slide. Now this is the same chart that we had in the previous slide, which says days of the week and number of tickets sold. Now how many tickets are sold on Thursday? Very good. We have 4 tickets sold on Thursday. How many tickets are sold on Saturday? Very good. We have 17 tickets sold on Saturday. What about Friday? Yes, 6 tickets are sold on Friday. And Sunday? Very good. We have 19 tickets sold on Sunday. Let's go to the first one. Question A. Sally sold how many tickets on Friday? It's very easy, children. You just have to look at the box. Okay? And you see on Friday how many tickets are sold? Very good. 6 tickets are sold on Friday. Let's go to the next question B. The total number of tickets sold on Saturday and Sunday. Now you all know that when we have the word total, what do we need to do? Come on, think, children. Very good. We have to plus, we have to add. Total means to add. So we are going to add which 2 days? Saturday and Sunday. So how many tickets on Saturday? Very good. We have 17 tickets on Saturday. And how many on Sunday? Very good. We have 19 tickets on Sunday. So we are going to add the 2 numbers, 17 plus 19, which gives us 36. Very good, children. Now let's go to the last question. See, how many more tickets were sold on Saturday than on Thursday? Now children, many of you get confused with this question when it says more. Many of you add. But you have to understand the question very well. It says, how many more tickets were sold on Saturday than on Thursday? It says that on Saturday the tickets sold were more as compared to Thursday. Okay, so we need to find out how many tickets more were sold. So if you see on Saturday we have 17 tickets, and on Thursday how many tickets are there? Very good. We have only 4 tickets sold on Thursday. So how many more tickets were sold on Saturday? So we have to do 17 minus 4, which is equal to how much? Very good. 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. Excellent, children. Thank you, dear parents, for all your hard work and cooperation and support. Children, take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Be at home. Okay? And do your lessons well. Thank you very much.